Okay, so in the last I showed you how to change a multiplicative comparison um, to an equation. So 35 is 7 times as many as 5, really just means 35 equals 7 times 5. But now I want to show you a picture of what it looks like. Because with a multiplicative comparison, you're comparing two amounts. You're I want to show you what that looks like. We've done this in class, you've done it in class. But here it is. So with a multiplicative comparison, we're going to show what this looks like. So um, I'm going to say, I'll use Bubba. Bubba will be my Bubba and Jessica. So to create a story for this, we'll say, which I should have created the story first. We'll say Bubba, Bubba has 5 balloons. Okay. We'll say Jessica has 7 times as many balloons. 7 times as many balloons as Bubba. And now we're just going to show what that looks like. Okay. So Bubba has 5 balloons. So that's what it says that right here. Bubba has 5 balloons. So I'm going to draw his 5 balloons here. Two, excuse me, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Bubba has 5 balloons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Jessica has 7 times as many balloons as Bubba. To draw that, first of all, um, when I'm drawing this, each group, since we're comparing the two, each group I draw has to have the same amount in it that Bubba has because we're comparing to the two. Okay? So Jessica is going to have, Bubba has one group of 5. That means Jessica is going to have 7 groups of 5. 7 times as many as 5. So Jessica's going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 times as many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 times as many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 times as many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4 times as many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times as many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 times as many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 7 times as many balloons as Jessica. Bubba has 5. Jessica has 7 times as many balloons as Jessica. And that means if he has 7 times as many as Jessica, 7 times 5, then he should have 35. Well, I'm sorry, Jessica should have 35. Let's count them. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. That's what this says. 7 times 5 equals 35. 7 times as many as 5 is 35. Jessica has 7 times as many balloons as Bubba. Bubba has 5. Jessica has 7 times as many as 5, which is 35. Thank you. Or why don't you go back and do the same thing for the other two problems in the last video? So that was 10 times 6 equals 60, and 8 times 4 equals 32.